A triangle plus a circle equals 24, and separately, the circle is the same as 3 triangles. What is each shape worth? That first line alone has 2 mystery shapes in it, and one equation is not enough to crack 2 unknowns. So on the face of it, this looks like a dead end. One equation simply cannot pin down 2 separate mystery values at once. But that second fact, the one that seems like a throwaway, is not a spare detail at all. It is the key that quietly unlocks the whole thing. Here is the whole idea. If 2 things are equal, you can replace one with the other anywhere and nothing changes. The circle is 3 triangles, so wherever a circle appears, you may simply drop 3 triangles in its place. Picture it as a balance scale. On one side, a single circle. On the other, 3 triangles, and the scale sits perfectly level. That is what the circle equaling 3 triangles really means, equal weight. So you can lift the single circle off and set 3 triangles down in its place, and the scale will not budge one bit. It stays perfectly level. That is the deep idea in a nutshell. Swapping equals for equals never tips the balance and never changes the truth of an equation. Now do exactly that in the first equation. Triangle plus circle equals 24. Replace the circle with its equal 3 triangles. The line becomes triangle plus triangle plus triangle plus triangle. 4 triangles altogether equal to 24. And look carefully at what just happened. The circle has completely vanished from the equation. Where we had 2 different unknowns tangled together, now there is only one kind of shape left, and that is something we can actually solve. 4 triangles make 24, so one triangle is 24 over 4, 6, and now work back to the circle. The circle was 3 triangles, and 3 sixes is 18. So the triangle is 6, and the circle is 18. Always check both original facts. 6 plus 18 is 24, that holds. And 18 really is 3 sixes, that holds too. Both conditions satisfied, and we cracked it just by swapping one shape for its equal. So when a problem hands you 2 unknowns and you feel stuck, hunt for an equality, any statement that one thing is the same as another. That equality is permission to substitute. Swap the equal thing straight into the harder equation, and one of your unknowns simply disappears, replaced by the other. 2 mysteries become one, and one you can always solve. This is the heart of algebra by substitution. Your turn. 1 pen costs the same as 5 pencils. So how many pens can you buy for the price of 30 pencils? Think of it as swapping equal values. Pause and try. Every 5 pencils are worth 1 pen, so you just ask how many groups of 5 fit into 30. 30 over 5 is 6, so 30 pencils buy exactly 6 pens. It is the very same swap as the shapes, only dressed up as money instead of triangles. One more. A box plus a circle equals 30, and a box equals 2 circles. Find each, substitute the box, and solve. Pause and try. Swap the box for its equal 2 circles. Now the first line reads 2 circles plus 1 more circle, which is 3 circles, all equal to 30. So 1 circle is 10, and the box, being 2 circles, is 20, 10 and 20, from a single clean substitution. Substitution is one of the great workhorses of mathematics. It is how you solve 2 equations with 2 unknowns, how you convert between units, swap currencies, or balance weights. Anywhere one quantity equals another, you can trade them freely. It is one simple habit with enormous reach. Replace equals with equals, and an unknown quietly vanishes. So when 2 unknowns block your way, look for a fact that says one thing equals another and swap it straight in. The balance never tips, one unknown disappears, and the puzzle opens right up. That's all for this video.